Welcome to our network hardware series. In this episode, we'll guide you through setting up a Cisco router from scratch, step by step. To begin, connect the power cable securely to the router and then turn on the device. Ensure it powers up correctly. Next, establish a connection between your laptop and the router. You can use either a console cable for direct management or an Ethernet cable for network access. Assign a static IP address on your computer to ensure stable communication with the router. For example, use 192.168.1.10. Once connected and configured, open your web browser and enter the router's default IP address, typically 192.168.1.1, to access its web interface. Upon logging in, immediately change the default admin password for security. Then, set a unique host name for your router to easily identify it on the network. Finally, save the configuration changes to the router's non-volatile memory and reboot the device to apply all new settings effectively. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the basic Cisco router setup. Subscribe for more essential networking tutorials and expand your expertise.